Hey guys, this is Nishant, and as we know, there are tons of applications on Google Play Store which are paid, which means you need to pay them a certain amount to install those applications on your phone. And in today's episode, I'm going to tell you how to install those applications for free on your phone. This is a genuine video. I'm not going to tell you about any illegal method or the Google Opinion app reward. So make sure to watch this video till the end and consider subscribing our channel. And here comes the first method. The Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store is developed by Amazon itself, and one thing you will find here is most of the applications which are available here are free, which means you can download it for free. This is a very vast app store and you can download tons of applications from here, and this is not available on Google Play Store, so don't panic. I will leave the link of the Amazon App Store in the description. You can go and download it from there. This app store also contains various tabs like games, retro zone, top charts, from where you can select your favorite app and download it. Therefore, make sure to install the Amazon App Store and try it. Again, Amazon App Store is not available in Google Play Store, so I will leave the link of this in the description. So here comes the method number 2. The next is app sales. This is available on Google Play Store, and this application will notify you about the sales going on Google Play Store. Nowadays various sales are going on Google Play Store, but we don't know when they come and when they go, so this will notify you about those sales. It contains a tab which is known as Now Free, where you will find those applications which are free now, and if you uninstall those applications and if you want to uninstall those, you can uninstall, but it will remain free for you because you have purchased it in a sale. And this application is available on Google Play Store, so I will leave the link of this application also in the description, so make sure to check it out. And that was it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was Nishant signing off, and I hope you guys will have a nice day. Peace out.